So here is a Higgsfield AI influencer tutorial. Higgsfield AI helps you create AI-powered influencer videos, and it's great for creators who want realistic AI influencers without complex setups. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on the link below to access Higgsfield AI and get started. So after clicking the link, you'll be taken to the official Higgsfield website, and as you can see, we're already here. And on the top of this page, you will get to see all of these options. And on the top right, let's go ahead and click on pricing to check it out. Over here, you can see all the plans that they offer, starting with Basic, Pro, Ultimate, and Creator. If you go over to Annual, you will notice that the prices are much lower. And for the Creator plan, you get 6,000 credits per month, which is honestly a lot. So now, let's head over to the top right corner and click on Login or Sign Up. If you don't have an account already, you can just click on Sign Up. I'll be logging in using Google. So as you can see, I'm now logged in and in the main dashboard. From the top left, let's click on Explore. On this page, you'll be able to view the different kind of content you can create using Higgsfield AI. But for this one, let's click on the AI Influencer option. And as you can see, we're now in the AI Influencer Studio. On the left panel, you'll be able to browse through different influencer types to choose from, or create your own if you want. And on the right side, you'll be able to customize your character type and all the visual features for your influencer. So for the character type, I will select human. And on gender, you have all of these options to choose from. I'll go with female for this one. Next up, we have ethnicity. From here, you can choose anyone that you want. For the skin color, you can select multiple options or just select one. Then we get the option to choose the eye color. And as you can see, they have a lot of realistic options. Next, you can even select skin conditions depending on your requirement for the influencer. Next up, we can select the age group, like adult, mature, and senior. I will go with adult. And for the advanced settings, you can select any one of these, like face, body, and style, and customize them further. So for eyes, let's go with human. You can also set the eye details like different eye colors, blind eye, scarred eye, and glowing eye. Then we have mouth and teeth. Set this up according to your preference as well. I will go with small mouth. Next up, we have ears. The options are unique and interesting. And as you can tell, the room for customization is immense. You can even add horns to your character. And since we do not want to use any, we can just leave it as it is, and none will be added. After that, we need to select the face skin material. We will go with human skin. You can even select the surface pattern for the skin. You can add spots, stripes, veins visible, and more. I will go with solid. Once done, just click on Generate Influencer on the bottom here. And as you can see, our influencer is currently being generated. Just give it some time to get done. So this right here is our brand new fresh influencer. And amazingly, there's no way you can tell if this is AI or human. But if you're still not satisfied with your influencer and want to make edits to your character, you can go over to the right panel and make any changes you want. So for example, I will change the body type. And on the body section, I'll go with lean. Now let's go over to style and change the hairstyle for our influencer. From the options here, I will go with long hair. Then you can even add accessories and markings, for example, tattoos. For the rendering style, we can choose hyper-realistic. There are also other options you can choose as well. After making your changes, just click on Generate Influencer on the bottom. And as you can see, our new influencer is ready. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on this Regenerate option in order to generate the influencer again. After that, you can also use this Edit in Nano Banana Pro option. And if you like it, you can save the influencer as well. So let's go ahead and make some more changes. I'll go over to the style section, and for this one, let's try changing the ethnicity of the influencer. For that, we need to head over to the ethnicity section from the right side panel. Now, from the options here, I'll go ahead and select Asian. After that, Let's go ahead and click on Generate Influencer once again. If you're not sure about the characteristics of your influencer, you can also click on this Surprise Me button and let Higgsfield do the rest. So as you can see, our new Asian influencer is ready. And if you want to make changes to any of them using Nano Banana Pro, just click on this edit icon. So over here, just attach the photo that you want to make changes to and then add in your prompt. So as an example, I will put in a pre-made prompt. Then on the bottom here, you can choose between the models available. But for this one, I will go with Nano Banana Pro. For the aspect ratio, you can choose between any of these options. You can also set the batch size for your output. You can also select unlimited, but it will take longer to generate. So now let's just click on the green generate button. After that, just wait for it to get done, and you will receive an influencer with all the changes and edits you've mentioned in the prompt. Sometimes it may take a while. And as you can see, our images are now generated, and they look pretty good. It bogs my mind how realistic they are. Now, if you want to try out other generation models as well, you can click on the model option and choose the one that you want. For example, Kling 1.0. So after selecting the other model, let's click on Generate. After that, just wait for the images to get generated. It usually takes some time, so be patient and wait it out. And as you can see, our new images are now ready. You can click on any one of these to open it up. So let's check out this one right here. After that, if you want to animate the image from right here, you can click on the Animate option on the right panel. You'll also see the options to open in, references, or download. So I'll just go ahead and download the image. Now let's go back and click on the video option on the top. From here, just go through the options and choose your desired model. And on the Start Frame section, let's add in the image that we've just downloaded. After that, it will be uploaded onto Higgsfield as your start frame. And once it's done uploading, you need to put in the prompt for your video on this section. So I'll just paste in a pre-written prompt. Then we have the model option. From here, you can select any of these models from the options. I will go with Kling 2.6 because this is the best one so far. And after you're done selecting your video generation model, you can then set the duration for your video. I will set it at 10 seconds. Next, we can select the aspect ratio as well. Once done, let's click on Generate. So as you can see, our video is now in queue. It may take a bit longer than generating images, so give it some time to get done. And once the video is ready, it will appear right here in the main screen just like this. Now just click on the play button to check it out.
And just like that, in a matter of minutes, I am ready to create content.
As you can see, this turned out really well. And more often than not, you will not be able to tell if this is AI or an actual human being. Now, if you hover over on the right side, you will get to see the option to download the video. Just click on it and it will be downloaded onto your device. And if you click on the three dots, you will get to see all of these options. For example, publish, share, and more. This way, you can start creating your very own influencers that look absolutely real just by using Higgsfield AI. And that's it. That is the Higgsfield AI influencer tutorial.